Welcome back to the QSUpali YouTube channel. I hope you have learned something from my previous videos. I wish to continue with this video to discuss the pricing of bill of quantities part 2. 1. Block work. Continuation. 2. Roofing. 3. Carpentry and joinery. 4. Metalwork. 5. Finishes. 6. Painting. 7. Services. 8. External works. 9. Day works. 10. Soil investigation. 1. Block work. Continuation. Superstructure block work. A. Pre-insulated cement concrete block work for 200 mm wide external single walls. Pre-insulated cement concrete 200 mm wide single blocks are now commonly used for external wall construction because it saves time and cost of labor. Rate to include superstructure external pre-insulated block single walls equal cost of 200 mm pre-insulated block plus cement and sand mortar plus galvanized expanded metal lathing plus filling block cavities with sand plus application of polymer caulk plus labor cost for construction of block walls. Example, the cost of blocks pre-insulated 200 mm wide for 20 m squares equal 20 m squares into 12.5 blocks per meter square equal 203 numbers into cost of one number 200 mm pre-insulated block. Cost of cement and sand 1:3 mortar 1 cubic meter equal 500 kg cement into cost of 1 kg cement plus 1500 kg sand into cost of 1 kg sand. Cost of labor for mixing mortar 1 cubic meter equal 1 day mason plus 1 day unskilled laborer. Cost of mortar 20 mm for 20 m square of 200 mm wide pre-insulated block work equals 30 m squares into 0.02 equals 0.60 meter cube into cost of 1 cubic meter of cement mortar plus 0.60 meter cube into cost of labor for mixing mortar for 1 meter cube. Cost of sand for filling cavities of 200 mm wide pre-insulated blocks 20 meter squares into 12.5 blocks per meter square equal 250 number blocks into 2 into 0.14 into 0.12 into 0.20 equals 1.68 meter cube into cost of 1 meter cube sand. Cost of labor for laying 200 mm wide pre-insulated work equals 1 number mason plus 1 number unskilled laborers make 20 meters square of 200 mm wide insulated cavity block work per day. Therefore, cost per 1 meter square of 200 mm wide pre-insulated block work equal cost of blocks 200 mm wide plus cost of mortar for 200 mm block work plus cost of labor for mixing mortar for 200 mm block work plus cost of sand for filling cavities of 200 mm pre-insulated blocks plus cost of labor for laying 200 mm wide pre-insulated block work divided by 20 meter square. Expanded metal lathing plus polymer caulk plus baker rod plus scaffolding is to be added as required. B. Concrete block work for internal single partition walls. Internal single block walls for partition walls are constructed with 200 mm, 150 mm or 100 mm wide cement concrete blocks. Rate to include superstructure internal 200 mm, 150 mm, 100 mm wide single walls equals cost of blocks plus cement and sand mortar plus galvanized expanded metal lathing plus filling block cavities with sand plus application of polymer caulk plus labor cost for construction of block walls. Example, cost of 200 mm wide cement concrete internal wall. The cost of block 200 mm wide for 20 m square equals 20 m squares into 12.5 blocks per meter square equal 250 numbers into cost of one number 200 mm block. Cost of cement and sand 1:3 mortar 1 cubic meter equals 500 kg cement into cost of 1 kg cement plus 1500 kg sand into cost of 1 kg sand. Cost of labor for mixing mortar 1 cubic meter equals 1 day mason plus 1 day unskilled laborer. Cost of mortar 20 mm thick for 20 m squares of 200 mm block work equals 30 m squares into 0.02 equals 0.60 meter cube into cost of 1 meter cube of cement sand mortar plus 0.60 meter cube into cost of labor for mixing mortar for 1 cubic meter. Cost of sand for filling cavities of 200 mm wide blocks 20 m squares into 12.5 blocks per meter square equal 250 number blocks into 2 into 0.14 into 0.12 into 0.2 equals 1.68 meter cube into cost of 1 meter cube of sand. Cost of labor for laying 200 mm wide block work equal 1 number mason plus 1 number unskilled laborers make 20 meter square of 200 mm wide block work per day. Therefore, cost per 1 meter square of 200 mm wide pre-insulated block work equals cost of block 200 mm wide plus cost of mortar for 200 mm block work plus cost of labor for mixing mortar for 200 mm block work plus cost of sand for filling cavities of 200 mm plus cost of labor for laying 200 mm wide block work divided by 20 m square. Expanded metal lathing plus polymer caulk plus baker rod plus scaffolding is to be added as required. C. Concrete blocks 200 mm wide parapet single walls. Generally, parapet walls at rooftops are constructed with reinforced concrete 200 mm wide single block walls. A capping beam of reinforced concrete is constructed over it for the stability of the block wall. Rate to include superstructure parapet walls equals cost of 200 mm blocks plus cement and sand mortar plus galvanized expanded metal lathing plus filling block cavities with concrete grade OPC 20 Newton per millimeter square plus 10 mm diameter reinforcement plus labor cost for construction of block walls. Example, cost of 200 mm wide reinforced concrete filled block work for parapet wall. The cost of blocks 200 mm wide 20 m square equals 20 m squares into 12.5 blocks per meter square equals 250 numbers into cost per 1 number block. Cost of cement and sand 1:3 mortar 1 cubic meter equals 500 kg cement into cost of 1 kg of cement plus 1500 kg sand into cost of 1 kg sand. Cost of labor for mixing mortar 1 cubic meter equal 1 day mason plus 1 day unskilled laborer. Cost of mortar 20 mm thick for 20 m square of 200 mm block work equal 30 m squares into 0.02 equal 0.60 meter cube into cost of mortar 1 cubic meter plus 0.60 meter cube into cost of labor for mixing mortar 1 cubic meter. Cost of 10 mm diameter reinforcing bar at 200 mm centers equal 200 meter into 0.617 kg per meter equal 123.3 40 kg into cost of reinforcing bar per kg. Cost of concrete grade SRC 30 Newton per millimeter square for filling cavities of 200 millimeter wide blocks equals 20 meter square into 12.5 blocks per meter square equals 250 number blocks into 2 into 0.14 into 0.12 into 0.2 equals 1.68 meter square into cost of concrete per meter cube. Cost of labor for laying 200 mm wide blockwork equal 1 number mason plus 1 number unskilled laborer make 20 meter square of 200 wide blockwork per 1 day. Therefore, cost of 1 meter square of 200 mm wide reinforced concrete parapet blockwork equal cost of blockwork 200 mm wide plus cost of mortar for 200 mm block work plus cost of labor for mixing mortar for 200 mm work plus cost of reinforcement plus cost of concrete grade SRC 30 Newton per millimeter square for filling cavities of 200 mm block work plus cost of labor for laying 200 mm wide block work divided by 20 meter square. Concrete capping beam is measured separately and not considered under blockwork rate. Thank you. Please wait for my next video for the continuation of the discussion on the pricing bill of quantities part 2. I would be pleased if you are motivated by the desire to explore the value of the fields necessity that would contribute to the construction industry. Please refer to the description box below for the written description of this video clip. With a positive attitude and a growth mindset, keep moving forward and explore the field. I will see you in the next video. If you are inspired and learned something from this video, please click like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button to receive my upcoming videos and share with others too.